While each drone strike at least damages a tank if hitting the target, Ukraine's drone army has gone over to aim for a complete destruction of every tank, so Russia can't repair their tanks. While this may cost extra drones in taking out Russian tanks, the result is worth it. With a well-placed strike, however, on the weaker armor, one strike could be enough, as seen here, causing first the fuel to catch fire and then the remaining ammunition to detonate, setting the whole tank in a burning inferno, resulting in a completely destroyed tank, turning it to scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.